Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how to cut the bed for your C-notch. Show you guys how I measured it. It's for any truck, not just a 95 F-150. Any truck out there. Okay, so what I did, I measured it from here to here, which was not even an inch right there. And then I measured it from here to here. Which ended up being that. And then looking over here. So the first measurement was right here. Right there, where the scratch is at. Right there. So this is what I did. See if you can see it right there. So I went right there. Marked it on the left. I scratched it out. Same thing over there, I scratched it out. And then from right there to there. So from right there, the end, to right here. Remember the other mark? It's right there. Okay, you mark it. That's how long the C-notch is. So that's how it's gonna be. Mark it over there, make a straight line, cut it out, and then I'll be cutting around the tubs. I'll be cutting all of this out. I'll be making the video so you guys can see. That's basically how I got my measurements to cut it.